winds are 40 plus, looking to the west, straight down the Straits of Juan de Fuca and over to Vancouver Island. It's real important that you pay close attention to the weather when fishing the salmon and the hind banks. I can't tell you how many times I've been out here in rough water. Right now the boat's sitting in 90 foot of water. We have a good heavy wind out of the west at 40 miles an hour plus. If you need to fish this area on a real rough day, you might want to try getting up around Cattle Point. Stay in close to shore and work this at a slack tide. You have a heavy rip in here. If you're looking for lingcod, up around the corner in this bay also is protected from heavy winds.